Hello everyone, this is my first trial ng beta breeding. As you can see, this is my female. See, she's beautiful. And that's my male. Yes, so last night I introduced them to each other, and not long, so there's a lot of bubble nests already. There's a lot of bubble nests. This is an old water, like 5 days old, and I put some Indian almond leaves. That's why the color is brownish. So it's less than 2 hours. Uh, they are the male already produced the bubbles. Look how stunning! Wow, wow. Yes. See, our female is full of eggs already. I put a bubble plastic for the bubbleness, and there I put a separator for later. Okay, so yesterday I forgot to make a video, so this is actually the second day. So yesterday was introducing, and today I'm going to put the female inside our male aquarium. Okay, so stay tuned for day 3.